Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther Arimiokai and I am an edtechpreneur. On this channel, we would be discussing everything technology for education. You can call me an edtechie and I am here to help you maximize technology to improve your teaching and your students' learning outcome. In this video, I will show you how to start a meeting and screen share on Google Meet. Let's get started.
Now that we know how to schedule a class, the next thing to do is to actually start the class. Remember that we scheduled the class on Google Calendar and you're supposed to be receiving notification. If you set your notification on, you would receive notification at intervals about your class. Now you can click on any of the notification and be redirected to start your class. Or you come to your Google Calendar and start the class manually. How do you do that? You can search Google Calendar on your address bar, or you choose to come to your Gmail like I usually do. I come to my Gmail, and right here on the top right corner, you're going to see your Google Calendar. Can you see the calendar there? I would click on the calendar and it will show me the event I have for today or the classes I have for today. I click on this. That is the class I want to start now, and it says join with Google Meet. I join with Google Meet. But if you haven't used Google Meet before now, it's going to request for permission to use your camera and to also use your microphone. It's nothing weird. You just allow the website to access your camera and microphone so you can be seen and be heard. Now, when I want to start my class or enter my class, I prefer to keep my microphone and my video off. This is how I do that. I come to the video icon here and I click on it. It turns off my camera and you can see that the camera is off. And for the audio, I can turn off my microphone right here. I do that and my microphone is off. Now you see here that I can join the meeting. No one else is in the meeting because I joined the meeting earlier. This is not the right time for the meeting. But I will join the meeting now with my camera and my microphone off. Right? Every other person that wants to join the meeting, I would be notified and I can let them in because I am the host of the meeting. Now the meeting has started and I have my participants on the meeting. I want them to see me. I want them to hear me. I'm going to keep my camera on. Can you see that? This is me. This is my camera. Hello everyone. They can see me, but they cannot hear me yet because my microphone is off. So I'm going to keep my microphone on. You see that? Microphone is on. Camera is on. The participants will be able to hear me and see me. Anyone who wants to join it, you let them in, and here you can see your participants, you can see your students, and also you want to re-invite them to the call. Maybe they forgot or something. You can add people from here, or you copy the link to the meeting. You can copy the link to the meeting from here. So you see this, copy joining info, and they are gonna be on the call with you. Now I'm gonna turn off my video and I'm gonna turn off my microphone, and let's assume they're both on and the class is on. I turned off my video, but now I'm gonna turn it on again. My video is on right now. Remember where to turn it on, right here on the video icon. My video is on, my class is on, and I'm talking to my students. I want to share maybe a web address with them. I want to share something with them on the screen. I want them to see my screen. Maybe I already have a slide prepared. In one of our next videos, we're going to learn how to prepare a slide. So for the purpose of this video, we assume that we have a slide prepared and I want to share the slide with them. So what I do is to come here on this icon that looks like an arrow in a square. I'm going to click on it to present now, and I can choose to present my entire screen or a window or a tab. Now I prefer to present a tab. So I'm going to present a tab. I'm going to choose a tab now. Let's start with the basic. That's like the easiest one. You choose a new tab. With the one of these three are your tabs. So you click on that and you share. Now it's showing that they can view your screen. You're sharing this tab. It means that people on the call, your students, can actually view your screen. You want to stop sharing and you want them to focus on you, so you stop sharing right there on the button I clicked, and then we are back on the call. So the meeting is over, we're done with the class, we've asked the questions, and we want to end the call. I'll come here. We're already familiar with this icon on our phones, to end call. I click on this. It says leave call. That actually would end the call. Leave call. Now see, end this video call for everyone. Just leave the call. If you just leave the call, they're going to be in the classroom, probably doing nothing. So I would say you end the call and everyone can leave the classroom automatically. End the call. That's it. That's everything you need to know on how to start your meeting and even share your screen on Google Meets.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload more videos that would help you improve your online teaching using technology. Thank you.